Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're comparing AI and Zoho Books. One is an AI-driven automation tool and the other is a flexible accounting solution that is loved by small businesses worldwide. Let's see which one fits your needs. Let's start with the main focus. AI focuses on AI-powered bookkeeping and automation, while Zoho Books is a cloud-based accounting and business management focused tool. Let's look at AI capabilities. AI automates reconciliation, categorization, and real-time insights, while Zoho Books has limited AI and is stronger in integrations and workflows. When we look at who or what they are best for, AI is best for businesses wanting deep AI-driven accounting, while Zoho Books is best for small and medium enterprises needing scalable accounting with CRM tools. Now let's look at ease of use. AI has smart AI dashboard and is more advanced, while Zoho Books is beginner friendly and has a simple interface. Lastly, pricing. AI has a premium plan and automation focused, while Zoho Books is affordable, flexible tiers, and pricing. So here's a breakdown. AI is like a digital accountant, handling bookkeeping, reconciliation, and forecasting with advanced AI. Zoho Book, on the other hand, is part of the Zoho ecosystem, great for small businesses that want accounting connected to CRM, sales, and operations. So the takeaway is AI equals next generation automation with AI smarts, while Zoho Books equals affordable, integrated accounting for growing businesses. Your choice comes down to whether you want AI first automation or flexible or the one business management. So, who takes the crown for you? Tell us in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick finance breakdown. Only here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.